Guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and I should say good afternoon or good evening. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make some seafood soup. I never tried this before, it's my first time, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my seafood soup.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. You can see guys, I have some seafood medley here, and this is consists of some octopus, squids, shrimp, some crab, etc. And here I have some shrimp. I have 2 packs of shrimp right here, and here I have some crab meat right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my seafood soup. I never done this, as I said before guys, but it's just simple. It's just like you're making soup, so and you just change the meat. Instead of using chicken foot or pigtail, you just do something else. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this, and I can't wait to try it and see how it tastes. So guys, bear with me. I'm gonna wash these, I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna put a little seafood season on it because I like to season my meat when I'm doing my soup. So guys, I'll be right back with you guys, okay? You can see I wash my shrimp, my crab meat, my octopus, my squids, my shrimp, my everything. So I'm gonna put a little seafood seasoning over it, because when you season up your meat when you're making soup, it's kind of it make it taste good. Honestly, it tastes real good. Crab meat look nice though. So guys, I'm gonna put some seafood seasoning, as I said. So here I'm adding some seafood season. I'm just gonna put the seafood season. I'm not gonna put no other season on it. Yeah. So I'm gonna use my hands, and then I'm gonna go in like this. So as I said before guys, I'm making some seafood soup. I don't know it's gonna taste, but I know anything I put my hands to always turn out good. I'm not bragging guy, I'm just like that. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for a bit, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. It's about that time to cook my soup, and as I told you guys before, I'm doing some seafood soup. Yeah, seafood, that's my first time doing it. So I have some shrimp, some seafood mix, and the seafood mix consists of crab, squids, conch, etc. I don't remember everything. And I have some crab meat also, but these are what I'm gonna put inside. So as you can see, I have some carrots here, I have some Irish potato, I have some edibles, that's what we call cocoa back home. I have some yellow yam, and that yellow yam is from Trelawney, of course. And I have some breadfruit here. Yeah, I have half a breadfruit here that I use, and I leave half. I have a chocho right here, and I have me some pumpkin right here. So I'm gonna prepare all my stuff, and I'm gonna come back to you guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna start preparing my stuff. So I'm gonna peel my pumpkin. So normally some people peel the skin off. I'm not gonna worry to peel the skin off. I'm just gonna cut it up like that. So I'm gonna wash it. So I'm gonna cut it up small. I'm gonna cut up my carrots. Catch my knife skills, guys. Do I have knife skills? Not yet. So I already peeled my pumpkin. So now I'm doing my carrots. So So my water is boiling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in my carrots and my pumpkin, let it go and boil. I don't want to make a lot of soup. I just want to make for maybe 2 days. I'm gonna add some salt to the pot, just a little salt. So guys, I'm gonna add some garlic peg to it. So I'm gonna cover the pot for a bit, let it go and boil. So I'm gonna make my dumplings right now. So now guys, I have some flour in this with some caramel and I put a little salt to it. So I'm gonna make my dumplings now. I already washed my hands. I'm not into the spoon thing mixing dumpling. I like to put my hands in and go down into the flour. You understand? So this is the flour that I'm using. It's the Jamaica JF Mills counter flour from Jamaica. This is the only flour that I use since I've been living in Canada. So I'm gonna make my dumplings right now. Normally I would turn on the pipe, let the water run, and then I mix. I'm not into the spoon thing making dumpling. I never use spoon make dumpling yet. I like to get down with my hands, flour all over my hand. Yeah, something I learned from my grandmama and my auntie. My auntie never teach me to use spoon make dumpling. It's weird. It looks weird to me, but each to their own. But I'm showing you how I do it. I just make a small amount of dumpling. I don't want too much dumplings. So now guys, the pumpkin and the carrot is boiling up. I'm gonna put dumplings. I'm gonna make just some small spinach dumpling. And I'm gonna put the meat, the seafood last, because you know seafood is something that easy to cook and I don't want it to boil out inside the soup. I can't wait to taste this to see how it tastes, because I've never done this before. But I have a feeling that it's gonna taste delicious. As I said, I don't want to make too much soup, because this kid of mine doesn't like soup. He doesn't like porridge. I don't know what soup and porridge do to him. So now that I put my dumplings in, I'm going to spin it around in the pot. And then next thing I'm going to put in is my my breadfruit. You know, breadfruit take a while to cook. And my edibles. So now guys, I'm peeling my breadfruit. Wash it off, and then I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. Now this finger is sick. A fish bone stick me in my finger yesterday. Now I'm gonna peel my my cocoa. Up here they call it edo, but we call it cocoa back home. So now guys, I'm gonna add my breadfruit and my cocoa. So I'm gonna peel my yellow yam right now, and then I'm gonna add my chocho and my Irish nuts. at this yellow yam, Chilani yam, the best. You all know that the best yam come from Chilani. You all know that. The good old Chilani yam. I always cut off the bottom a little deep because you know the bottom of the yam sometimes tends to be bitter. I don't know why, but always tends to be bitter. So I'm gonna put it in, wash it off. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna use all this yam. I'm gonna put some in the freezer. I'm gonna freeze it so when I'm ready I can use it. So I'm putting in my yellow yam. So I'm gonna peel this chocho right here. Guys, we used to have chocho tree back home in our yard, and honestly, I used to love chocho. Like when it dry, I used to like when it dry, but I find myself not eating a lot of chocho anymore. I guess I eat too much when I was in Jamaica, because we used to have chocho tree in our yard, and food can't cook without you have chocho inside it. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut up this chocho right here. What's buffing right there? So I have one Irish potato here, a yellow Irish potato. I love yellow, the yellow potato. I don't like the white ones, I like the yellow ones. Now guys, I'm adding in the chocho and the Irish potato. Watch pan soup, watch yellow yam, watch pumpkin, watch dumpling, watch chocho, watch breadfruit. Oh god. Anyway guys, I'm just funny like that. Sometimes I can be too serious. You see, cut a bubble up. So I have some corn here, so I'm gonna add them to it. You know, these are foreign corn, they're easy to cook, so you can put them in anytime. When you guys see me come back, I'm gonna add in my seafood, my scallion, my thyme, and my pepper. Now guys, I'm gonna add my seafood. So this is my seafood, and as I showed you before, I put some seasoning over it. So I have some shrimp, some crab meat, and some seafood mix. Seafood mix consists of crab, shrimp, squid, conch, the whole works, lobster, the whole works. So I'm gonna put it in now. To add some more water. my shrimp. See, this is crab meat, shrimp, lobster, octopus. Yeah, octopus in it too. So I'm gonna let it boil. Lobster leg, something like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it boil a bit. But before, I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, and some scallion. I don't know if you guys, I normally crush my scallion. So I'm gonna let it boil. And the next thing I'm gonna do after I come back is put in my noodles. So now guys, it's that time I'm gonna put in my noodles. Smells so good, guys. Trust me. So I have two of this one. I'm gonna put two inside of it. So I'm gonna mix it in some water and strain off the noodles because I don't really like the noodles in it. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a strainer and I'm gonna strain off the noodles. I don't like the noodles inside. Guys, look at my soup. My God, let me put the camera closer. Look at that. Look at that richness. Look at my soup. Look at that. So guys, this is how I made my seafood soup. Seafood soup. Look at that. And I can't wait to taste it. I know it tastes good. So guys, that's the finished product of my seafood soup. Look at that. Look at all these meats. Look at all this food going on here. Guys, it tastes good. It tastes real good. It's my first time and I'm telling you, it looks so delicious and it tastes delicious. So I'm gonna share a bowl and let you guys see the final result. Guys, that's the finished product of my seafood soup. Look at this. Look at this delicious bowl of soup. Look at that. So guys, you know what time is it? It's time to like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about my lovely bowl of seafood soup. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time your girl upload a video. Until next time, your girl is out and I'm gonna enjoy this soup for me and you guys. Bye.